Time to get it all cleaned up. Just getting some new parts on it today. Should look a lot better. It's nice and purty now. Got the seat cover off. Bare seat. And it looks like got us a new seat cover. Taking me a while to want to do this because I needed to come pick up one of these. This just makes it so much easier to get the right staples and everything, especially when you're trying to get into crevices like this. The normal staple gun doesn't really let you get in there. And then same thing down in here. If you want to get some staples in here, it helps to have this extra little edge. Plus, I don't have to like push so hard to get into it. So you know, and even obstacles like this just makes it a little bit easier to have a staple gun, something that has like a little pointy edge to it, if you will. Like, I'm no pro when it comes to staple guns, so that's like a $30 one from Home Depot. But it's exactly what I need. So we're gonna get started on this. We're gonna start at the front, put a couple staples in the back, work our way through the middle, get all the stuff out, you know, little wrinkles, and I'll show you guys the bike because I got the sticker kit on it already and it's behind me. But I'll have to show you guys after, even though I'm sure you'll see it in a little tiny thumbnail when I put this together. I think my seat ran out of air. Time to put this bad boy on. Got it all nice and tight. I think she looks good. Let's get the bolts in. Dude, that seat cover totally did it. That and the graphics, it's looking good. Oh, how'd I forget the Baja Designs Headlight I just put in there too. Here it is back in the garage, but still got the Scott steering stabilizer. We got the steering damper low from Pro Taper on here. So if you check out some of the other videos, I got my JD jetting tuner down here. It's inline. It's, you know, not as complex as the Vortex, but it's also not as expensive. It does what I need it to do. I got ASVs on here. Well, ASV with the rotator clamp on both sides. To my knowledge, they still don't make a brake lever, so kind of waiting for that. But Thrill Seeker seat cover. Had Factory Effex make me the graphics kit. Those guys are awesome over there. Back to this side, I got the Yoshimura full exhaust system. However you say it, Acerbis or Cerbis. We got the frame guards. What else do we got so far on this bike? That's probably most of it. Oh yeah, right here, Champion Adventures, doing their whole little like delete kit, if you will. Yeah, so that's so far what I got on the bike, and I'm loving it. This thing's awesome. I'll do the suspension soon, but it's pretty close to the way I want it for right now.